Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to speak about laptop overheating. So every time your laptop overheats, there will be certain issues. That is RAM. It's the first one. I changed RAM twice because of overheating. I used to hear a lot of loud noise from my laptop. I thought it's normal, but it's not normal. You need to do something for it. So I came up with the idea of having a cooling pad. It's a laptop cooling pad from TopMate. It is one of the best budget investments I have ever made. I have changed my RAM twice. Now anymore I don't need to change. I'm using this for past 3 months. So let me tell you what are the features it has. Already installed this 3 months ago. So I'm making a video from the video specification. I will show you later in my setup how I'm using it, where did I place it. But to make a video, I cannot remove from my setup, plug everything out, plug in back. I don't want to do that. So I'm using a video specification. Let's go one by one. I will tell you what are the specifications, starting from LED light. It has some really cool LED lights where it has different mode like round, circular, and flashing. Also, it comes with the different lights, red, green, blue, whatever you can choose. You can set it up to your mood. Other than that, it has anti-slip that is like a two pins in straight. You can put your laptop down and the laptop will never move from there. And it also comes with the six settings of fan. There are three big fans, there are three small fans where you can adjust the speed, and it really has some cool light that is coming from a fan. This blue light, it's amazing, it looks great. Next one is with the handle. It has like eight adjustable handles, like you can put it up, we can put it down. I put most of the time around 5 or 6 because it keeps to straight, and while I'm gaming I'm looking straight. This is something really useful, very useful. And then there is a phone holder. I don't think I ever used it. I don't really think when was the last time I used it. It doesn't really affect me because I have a separate phone holder, but for some people, while you're working in office, I think it might be really useful for you. See, this is how it looks. That's all from the video specification. So let me now, I will show you in my setup how I'm. It really looks very cool with the LED, and it has different setup LED modes. So let me show you from top. It looks like this from top, and it has all the switch. Here you can adjust the fan, decrease and increase the fan, and adjust the lights. As you can see, the lights, it goes to different mode. That's all. This small gadget has saved a lot of unwanted expenses for me, especially with the RAM. Every time my laptop used to overheat, I used to change the RAM, and now it has been almost 3 months that I have no issues with the RAM. So this small gadget can make a big difference on your laptop performance, just because it heats a lot. So this controls the heat, and it really gives you a better performance. So if you are gaming in laptop, I would say definitely you need to have this one. And it is not even like expensive, it's really less than $20. In Dubai it's like 80 dirhams, and it's very cheap. But this cheap product will save you a lot of expenses. So thank you for listening to me so far. I hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe, follow, and I go live sometimes. You can come on my comments and we can have a chat. Thank you so much, guys.